DJH Prestige and Sport. So just got this lovely Suzuki Vitara, finished in black with the white roof. It's got the lovely urban body kit styling kit on it as an extra. Nice grey alloy wheels, white mirror covers, gleaming black, privacy glass. It's really good specification as well. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Seats are in lovely condition. It's quite funky looking mats. Electric windows, electric mirrors. There's nowhere on the seat bolster or anything. Let's just start it up. Starts up lovely. It's only done 60,457 miles. It's just going to have a service, just going to have an MOT. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, multifunction steering wheel, a reverse camera, got satellite navigation on this, I'm sure it has as well. Yeah, satellite navigation, DAB radio, air conditioning. As you can see, it's in really lovely condition. Quite sought after these Vitaras in this sort of condition, because a lot of them get messed around with. As you can see, this is in lovely condition. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.